Ay, ito.
Other day. So Gina said we are. This is. Tay, paano ibaba yung ano to, pintuan? Ang alin?
Yung video natin. Pwede rin dito. May viewpoint. Doon na maganda kasi magandang scenery doon. Cart bed. Maganda yung rock formation niya down. Love down.
Hindi na umihi!
Ganyan naman yung salagi. Okay lang yan.
So the weather is really beautiful.
Today
Today's the day that we are going for a hike in the middle of nowhere.
It's still not nowhere. We're still in the civilization. Just look.
Just look with the livestock. So Gina said we are. This is the start of our hike.
Yeah.
So this is it, Pansit. When we went to the, where did we go? Windmill.
Windmill farm.
We did not took any video.
That's different.
It was so different that time. But today
We're in the proper hiking in the woods.
we are in the woodlands again.
Down the coastal. Actually, they call it this coastal walk. There you go. We're in a coastal walk by the seaside.
Hello, where's Bogart? Bogart's on the other day.
Ayun, i-click mo yan. Ito mo. Tangkitigira. Here.
Thank you, Bogart. Thank you. Thank you for waiting for me.
Come here.
I'm coming. Behave, ah. Oh, no running. Jet.
Bakit ko yung paa niya?
Day.
Rock bed. Rock formation. Dun. Dun. Ano harap dito? Ah, nakaharap siya. Harap pala siya.
Nakikita yung ulo mo.
Spooky.
Ayun na talaga tayong dalawa, no?
Spooky. Kaya lang, vlog pa more.
Tama na yan. Mamaya naman. Consume ko yung bat. Sinend ko kay Kalbo.
Ayun puntahan natin.
Ah.
Market bed. Market bed.
Paano pronunciation?
Market bed. Market. Basahin mo da, ikaw dai.
Ayoko, day.
Market ko ha, da. Market dati sa dito. Pagwas na malagpasan ang natin.
We're still surviving. Yung tiyan ko, nagkumukulo na. Pababa na kami sa coastal road. Nauna na si Gina. Anong sabi ko? Pababa na kami sa coastal road. Ay, nako.
Here we are, look at that.
Is it?
Yes.
Where is it?
What, we're going down.
We're going down daw.
Market.
Bedrock.
Bedrock.
Daya, be careful, Day. Good dog. Good dog.
Tayo.
Huh? We're gonna go down there. Down there. Down there.
Naked swimming ako tayo.
We're gonna go for a swim. Bikini out! Wala nga akong bikini. Oh. No way. Dahil may ano, bahay.
Oo nga, kasi ano, siya ng fisherman.
On you go. Good girl.
Come girl.
Good dog. Nagbibidyo ka?
Oo. Short lang dahil, pangano ko, sorry.
Ako din.
Sorry ko lang.
Iris!
Raspberries. Blackberries.
Anong raspberries yun?
Hindi, blackberries yun dahil kasi mag-black pa lang siya. Yung siya. Lately,
Ah! Bogart.
Dai, mga taong nagka-camping dito, nag-overnight, mga kayakers,
Kayakers.
pwede siya, pag na-stranded, pwede siya, hindi siya bahay. Ano siya, fishing, ano talaga siya. Para yun sa ano, mga workers, kung ma-stranded, ano, masamang panahon, wala kang ano nga, junk ka.
Here? Are you allowed here?
Yes, you can sleep there if you want.
Oh.
Isa, hindi yan. Sinarado ko.
Which one? This one? Malakas ang alon.
Quick dip lang dahil, hindi ako mag-swimming.
Maybe.
Bogart!
Bogart, this way!
Punta ka dyan.
Saan ka ba? Ay! Hala!
Ayan, ito siya. Bogart. Mag-grill tayo dito dahil. They watch, oh. Wait pa more. Wait pa more. Mag-picture tayo. Ayan.
Sa baba, oh.
Hindi, picture muna. Ayan ako. Ayan.
Turn off ko.
Ay, siso. Siso mo. Ewan ko na na.
Stay.
Go back. Go back. Go. Swimming.
So, I don't know if I managed to take a video when I hope I did. I'm trying to find it out. There's nothing in my video at the moment. So, we'll see later on. We're on our way back down. Ayan na siya. Si Gina, panay panay tingin sa mga picture namin.
Hindi nag-video ako kasi
Ay.
gusto ko ng short
Nag-video.
story. Vlogger pa more.
Vlogger for more.
Ayan, pababa na kami.
Pababa.
Hindi namin pwedeng i-share yung kung anong ganap doon sa beach.
May
Basta
nak-
mayroong mga ganap doon sa beach. Nag-swimming ko eh.
May
Sana
nak-
lang yun ah.
may-
Ito na lang yun.
May mga nakahubad. Ayan yung sekreto niya.
Ano mga ganap doon?
Doon na lang yun maiwan, no? Tignan mo may sapatos. Alright, we'll see you sa...
Ano ba yan? Parang may kausap ka.
We will see you sa sa restaurant because we're having something to eat. Eat tayo, Day?
Mukha?
Wait lang.
Asan yung
Busog ka na?
Ang gusto pa na isang life is save ko yung dalawa kay Simon.
Eh,